Hello guys and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a character to Psych Engine, the FNF mod engine. Now Psych Engine was not created by me, it'll be in the link in the description, and I'm going to show you how to animate a character and how to implement into the game. Okay, so here we have our character. I'm going to be doing this for completely free, it will not cost you any money at all, so all these programs will be free. So here we have our character and we're going to animate him. I'm going to be using Critter as it's super easy to learn. Just going to do Windows, pretty sure. Yeah, I'm not the best at Critter. Animation. There we go. Okay, animation here. But we're going to go into animation curves because we're going to do some tweening. So first we're going to do the idle animation. So let's go ahead and first we'll animate the head. It's always quick and easy to animate the head. So what you want to do is you want to add a transform mask to the body part you want to animate. Now we're going to do this up to 12 frames. So here, I'm going to click here and we're going to add a tween thingy here. Then same on 12. Now on 6, we're going to want to move the head. But I just remembered something I did wrong, because if I move the head, the rest of the body parts will not move, which it's kind of not good. So we're going to quickly remove the transparency mask. And we're going to create a new group inside of the head. Now this new group will be for the head accessories, which we're going to need so we can animate the head easier. So we can do group and quick group, and we're just going to quickly name this to head, if I can spell, which I can't. Now we can put the paint layer, which I've just done the mouth on the paint layer so it's easier, the eyes. Now we add the transform layer to the head here. I'm going to press that and go to 0 and not do what I've just done. But I'm going to try something new, move the pivot point here. Now here. That works too. Now we're going to realize that I'm a dumb idiot and it doesn't work, because why would it? So we're going to quickly delete the mask and we're going to add a new one real quick. I'm going to quickly turn the frames to end on 12. So on 6, I'm gonna do it there. Add a pivot point. Now that seems to be good enough. Try to add some more to this. Now it's got a little bobby motion. Bit fast, but I'm very dumb and definitely know how to fix this. Speed. I'm gonna leave that at 75 because I quite like it like that. But the legs, I don't like the position on, so we're just gonna boop. Put them there. Now I'm not really gonna be animating the legs, as I don't really think it's necessary to do that. Back on 0. Now we're gonna do the body. So I'm going to create a new group again for the body, which will be group and then quick group. Now in quick group we're going to just name this to body 2, because I already have body here with all the body parts. And we're going to put the microphone arm and the normal arm. Now the mic arm, the arm on this side I like to put above the body layer so it doesn't have a little more movement. But I also want have the legs above this arm here, which I don't think I can theoretically do, so I'm just going to leave it how it is, because it looks alright. Now then. Oh wait, yeah, we also have this layer which is deactivated currently, because that looks a bit cursed in my opinion. So we can just quickly place the body there, and now we should have that bit sorted out. Okay, so we can now add a transform light mask, and here, that's not what I wanted. That's still not what I want. Kind of looks good there, a little bobbing. So in fact, I might keep it like that because I like that style of it snapping back like in the actual game. So we're gonna go into the head, it's transform mask, and we're gonna try to delete these frames. Whenever I do this, the frames kind of don't want to leave, like here. So I can do is I can quickly remove that mask. Realize I've done something and remove that mask as well, and now we can quickly add a new mask, and then here we're gonna have gonna add the keyframe where his head is gonna be down, looking probably at boyfriend, and then realize it's doing that again. Okay, and at 6 again, I can have his head snap up there quickly. Now here on this frame, I want his head to be looking down. Now we can go ahead and change the animation timeline here on this little button to end at frame. I'll do it on frame 6. Oh wait, hold on. I do not want to do that. Animation curves is what I really want. We'll see how this looks. It looks a bit weird right now, but that's kind of how the FNF style works. So maybe I could like expand it out a bit. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I should probably stop doing this. I don't want to be on the animation timeline. I want to be on the curves bit. There we go. You know, that's fine. So like 6, 10. Okay, now we can go on to moving the arms. But I'm going to go to the mic arm. I'm going to add a transform mask here as well. Onto the mic arm. And we're going to, on 6, make a keyframe. But then back on 0, I'm going to move the pivot point up to where the joint of the arm would be. Maybe move it down just a little bit. Like a little snappy here, but I could keep it there and then go back down or something like that. So maybe I might do that to make it a little more smooth. So now, in fact, I'll give that a shot. No, I'll leave it how it is. If it looks bad, then you can always redo it. Because do not follow my advice when animating, especially in 2D, because my forte is 3D animation. So go into arm and add transform mask, and do not do what I have just done I've kind of just messed some stuff up. Gotta make sure the animation still works. Okay, now this arm, again, 6, frame 6, not there. I said frame 6, 0, move the joint up there. Now I feel like that might be an idle animation completed. It'll be fun, I guess. Alright, there's the idle animation. Now, this step is pretty important. So, what you want to do is you want to go to File, and I would render the animation. That's how I do it. Image location, going to quickly blur out some of the files. If I had any files, that is. Tut into animated, no, tut into, okay, now this is idle. Now select the folder and make sure it's a PNG. PNG. Now, okay. Now if we look in here, we have all the frames. Oh, he's off to the right. That's not good. That's really not good, actually. I don't want him off to the right, so... Little quickly delete, no, not rename. Delete. And a bit of... Oh no. We can leave it how it is. We can fix this in editing, I guess. I mean, don't be an idiot like me and move it like all the way over here. Okay. Now that that animation's finished, and if we go into the idle, there we have all the frames. Now then, we're going to do the, I'm going to say the left frame first, so we can delete the transform. So I would remove all the transform layers, as it makes it super easy to do. Now I'm gonna get out my microphone. We'll do the down first. Do the, I'm gonna say the left frame first. Why not? I want animation. Oh crap! Nope. As well, what you can do, which I'm going to do real quick, because I want to do a, if you are an idiot like me, I'm going to import a layer. Let me just find it. There we go. We're going to bring in these hands, because you want to catch these hands, son. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. We can add a new layer, which for some reason might, oh yeah, here. Yeah, put that there. There we go. Now we're gonna add a new layer, change the opacity to that, and now we're just gonna not trace, because tracing is not how you learn, as I got told before, but we're just gonna borrow the image. And if you say add credit to the person that made it, I have no clue who made it, because I got this off Google, so you need it, find off Google. Not of me. Anyway, now there's the arm. We gotta delete that. Oh wait, crap. Oh no, that's gonna be quite hard. Oh, I'll figure it out. Let me go into the arm. I'm gonna erase you. Yank. No more arm for you. I'm so sorry. My arm now. Mine. And now we can just put you there. There we go. Now, here's a neat little trick for colouring. Now, I want to grab my colour real quick, so... make a separate layer underneath, so then you do not go over the lines. Probably going to cut out this bit of me making the animations. So that's going to take forever. I never even realised I'll have to put the head inside of body too. How dumb I am. Right then. Now we can also lift this up a bit. Oh wait, hold on, up there. Now we can move the pivot point here again. Little chili. Just, I'm on that colour. And a whoopie whoopie. Now we can also, what I did with the mouth is I can just go normal smile, and I can a little bit size down a bit. You can change this colour to ready, swap, add layer. They look better when it's black. There we go. Now that we have this, like that, now we can start animating this again. So, like I always say, you start with the head, because the head is one of the most important bits. If you don't get this right, then you're probably not going to get it right at all. So add it there, and there. Don't know what I've just done. Probably fine. Now then, can't remember how many frames you have to do for this, so I'm pretty sure the animations, I'm just gonna do 7 frames. Now we can do the microphone arm. In fact, I'll do the entire body next. So add transform mask and 6, and then here I'll lean him forward a bit and then down a bit as well. I'll probably make a full week mod as well. This guy, call him Olive, because kind of the channel's name. Well, you know, could totally transition. So you should totally subscribe if you want more of these tutorials. So I'm going to be doing so you can make an entire full week mod without coding and for free. So it will carry absolutely no money whatsoever, which I'm pretty sure you will absolutely love. As who doesn't want to make something for free? So yeah, probably now I have to move up the arm. Check out how this looks so far. Not a bad idle animation if I do say so myself, which I am saying so myself. God, this is so cringe. Transform mask. Oh, no, not there. Not there. Yeah. Anyway, comment if you think I should do something differently, as this is my first ever video, so you know, it's kindly appreciated. Yeah, any help is kindly appreciated, and I will read, well, as many comments as I can, no matter how mean probably they are. Now then, there's going to be our right animation. So go File, Render Animation, render it wherever you want to, and press OK. Wait a minute, because you want to stop. Wait a minute, yeah, I'm not doing that. Now we have that. Now I'm going to cut forward in the video. Okay, now that you've got your sprites done, you realise that they're not animated. So what you need is to get a sprite sheet XML generator for Friday Night Funkin', which will also be in the description. And you want to go ahead and grab the images that you want. So well, I would always start with doing the idle. Actually, that's not it. And you just want to grab all the frames, put them here, and put them, select them all, and set animation pose, and just idle. We'll just quickly set a name, and now you can also view preview animation, and we can just do idle. Which is good. Now we can add more frames, and we'll just go ahead and do the down pose, because I like to do them in order. Set animation pose name to down. I would recommend viewing the animations once you've done them, so then you know that they work. Add frames to the, I just did idle to the left animation. Set pose name to left. Now keep these simple. You don't want to do like the biggest sentence ever. You don't want to write supercalifragilisticexpialidocious or something like that. Okay. Add frames to the right animation. Open. That's not it. Set pose name to the right. View preview animation to the. And now we need to add the final frames. You can also add more if you like a little taunt or like boyfriend's mic throw. You can add more to them. But that's up to you, like that's not required, but these are the required ones, unless you're also doing a playable character, so you need death and misnets as well. So up. And now we can preview the final animation to make sure it works properly. That's idle. To preview the final animation, not idle animation. Now that we've done this, you can now generate the XML, and just do this into tut and select folder. Now we'll give it a minute. Your file has been generated. Check the folder you have been selected. Okay, now we can go to tut, and now we have these. Now, so you want to go into Psych Engine, and you want to open it up. Which for character editor. Now, you don't want it to be a playable character, and always set it to either the dad or the mom. So I'll just set it to the mom. And now you open up your Psych Engine folder, mods, tutorial, or whatever you named it, images, and characters. Now that's where you drop your character image XML/text file here. Now what we can do is we can open that, grab just these two, and we can just plop them in there. Now then, we don't want our character to be named this, so we can just go ahead and name it whatever you named your file. And there we go. Now I need to get an icon color, which I'm just going to quickly try and make mine green. That's a nice green, but I like it lighter. There we go. Now animations. Now select the idle animation, and you want to open your XML, which I like to open mine with. I'll just open it with Notepad. Now idle. Now I never copy the numbers unless it's like necessary, because these are just the frames. So the animation is idle. Add update. Should it loop? No, not single left. Do idle. Should it loop? Add update. Oh yeah, so we need to stop idling. Please. Stop idling. Okay. Q is to zoom out, by the way. Put it on 0, 0. Now I'm going to adjust the character's position in this. I think he's tall enough as that is his height, so. Make sure all of them are on 0, 0. Okay, now they're all on 0, 0. Now we want to go ahead and add the down animation. So we can go ahead and open my notepad and do down. So copy and paste it into here. So now we have the idle, up, right, left, down. Okay, now I want to go to the up. I'm pretty sure it's next. Well, if it's not next, then we can just go down here. Always grab the first, well, you can grab whatever one it is, just never copy the back numbers because those are the frame it's on. So up to here. Up, idle, down, up. Now we can do sing left, and now we can get the left pose. If you guys want a more advanced tutorial where you can add more animations, then tell me in the comments and I might make it. So left, add update, and now we just need the right. And now we can do sing to right. Left, up, down, idle, right, left, up, down. Now then, luckily for me, I don't have to adjust this because all the feet are in the same position. But if you have to turn on ghost or something like that, like telepathy, make ghost. So here, you'd have to manually move all the frames individually. So like, for example, if down was over here, it doesn't look right, so we have to move it all the way back into position with the feet. But luckily for mine, it's all on 0, 0. In my case. Now, as you notice, we do not want the Mons icon, so what we're going to do, go back into Critter. Don't know why I have that. Don't have questions. And you want to, this bit's going to be cut out, because yeah. I'm going to grab my from my double mod I was working on. The icon. Okay, so you want to get the icon here. I know it's really bad, don't ask, it's just funny. And then we're just gonna import layer. Let's just import the head. Whoa. So we'll animate just the eyes and the head. Don't want them all the way down there though. Now, if I was you, I'd recommend grabbing boyfriend's thingy, but we just want to make it fit in a certain box. Eyes above the head. Now, the icon, you want to grab it out of just, I'll show you in a minute, where you're going to put it as well. And now we can duplicate layers. And we can delete the copy of eyes. Well, not really delete them, but we can. we can grab the colour picker, remove this mouth, and make them really angry. And now we can do the background. Okay, now we can file, save as, and now you just want to icon whatever your character's called. So mine's going to be Olive. And now I go into I'm going to cut this bit out, of course, because make the screen black here. Into, if I can find it, Psych Engine. Okay, now that you're in Psych Engine, go into mods, the mod, images, icons, and save here. Also, where you can find it, if I go into the Psych Engine thing, where you can also find the icons is just in the assets, shared images, and then it should be in icons. And just grab one of these. I'd recommend just grabbing the plain one. Okay, now I can just go back into quickly, back into my mods folder. Now we can open a backup Psych Engine. And health icon name. Now if we did this right, it should be there. There we go. We got the character name, we got all the animations done. So really, we can just save the character as JSON, just name it. Name it the character's name, so it's easy to find. Then go into your Psych Engine window, mods, tutorial, characters, save. Now, should be done. Now we can, in the song Tankman, do him. Have a look.
3, 2, 1, go!